So February has came and has went, and we still don't have Switch to YouTube, which actually is funny because it was supposed to come out this month. That was all the leaks and rumors, speculation. There was some inside sources that said it was going to come out this month. Still has not. They claim they have been working on this since August, and they still can't figure it out. There are some people who keep thinking that the reason why we're not getting YouTube on Switch is because somehow, some way that people could use that to jailbreak or mod the system, which is idiotic as crap, but I don't know why people still think that that's a thing. Guys, we had Switch 1 had YouTube, okay? Nobody used that to mod the Switch 1. The Switch 1 could be modded, not every single variant, just the initial variants, the blue box variants. And the reason why was because of an exploit with the recovery menu. That has nothing to do with YouTube. And the Switch 2 cannot be modded at all, even if it had YouTube. And also the OLED, you had to have a mod chip. You have a mod chip that you solder on the inside of the actual device. You solder certain pins that bypasses Nintendo's system on how they, detect pirated software. There's a whole, this is nothing to do with YouTube. I think it's because some people think, like, with the PS3, you could mod it / jailbreak it by using, an exploit, but with a web browser. That's not the case with Nintendo's devices. So just keep that in mind. I don't know why people have this idea. You cannot jailbreak or mod a Switch through anything to do with YouTube. Anything to do with any of that stuff. So, to the idea that they're not doing it because of that is idiotic. Number two, I know some people are going to say, who cares? I have a phone, I have a laptop, I have a whatever. I can watch YouTube on anything else. Again, as I say, you're probably not the demographic that is going to watch YouTube on Switch 2. I get that. There are a lot of people who like to watch YouTube on a Switch 2. A lot of times, kids, younger kids, maybe they don't have a cell phone. I know it's crazy to say that in 2026, but maybe they don't. Or maybe, they just like to have a bigger screen. Maybe they have a cell phone that's smaller. They like to have a beautiful screen they can watch YouTube on. There is always different types of, say, demographics, but there's different markets and different customers for those markets. So sometimes people see a product get released and they're like, what the heck? Like, what's the point of this? You're not the market for that product, and that's okay, right? If you're sitting here thinking YouTube on a Switch 2 is stupid, you're not the audience for it. And that's absolutely okay. For example, when they come out with those handheld emulator devices, I'm not the market for those emulator devices, handheld editions. I don't see the point of them because I'm not the market for it. I'm not the demographic that emulates my games and does that kind of stuff, right? I have a Switch OLED. It is modded, right? It is modded. The big boy word. I have a modded Switch OLED. I went ahead and I put the mod chip in there, soldered it down. That is what I use for all my emulation, all that kind of good stuff, right? I do have a Switch too. I bought the Pokemon games on Switch too, right? Because I wanted to play them on Switch too. So I just see a lot of people getting upset. At the end of the day, all this does is benefits the Switch 2 by getting YouTube. Doesn't hurt anything. Is it that big of a deal for a majority of the people? Probably not. But it does put more people in the platform, more money toward the platform, which I know, listen, I get it. Nintendo is Nintendo. And it just causes more developers coming over, more people playing. Developers want to create better ports for the devices. It helps out everyone by having YouTube and other stuff on the platform. So, that's my spiel, but I said it before. and I'll say it again, I said it about a month ago before these rumors started, we're not going to get Switch to YouTube. I don't think we're going to. Because this is the exact thing that they would have done last holiday season. To sell as many Switch 2s as possible, which we now find out they actually did sell very well. But they would have made sure that this came out if they were coming out with it during the holiday season when everyone was buying Switch 2s. Because that's a big selling point for a targeted market audience. Anyway, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one.